the Center for Global Outreach. I am in charge of trying to coordinate all of the different international projects that we have on campus and trying to coordinate the different offices supporting international students and some of the projects that come through for our students, but also for our faculty to be able to connect with their colleagues around the world. So, we have some projects in England, there's a couple of opportunities in South Africa, we have 6 to 8 projects in China right now. We were able to open some doors for our student teachers, so we had 4 student teachers in the fall in Shanghai, and we have 4 more going next year, 2 to Shanghai, 2 to Hong Kong. We have some opportunities in other locations in Europe as well. As students come in year after year, this is something that they want from an institution. When I set up for incoming students or prospective students, I'll have 10 or 12 students come to my table and they want to know what are my opportunities. That's just the reality of college today. People want these chances. The only limitation is the affordability factor and how many students can actually find the money to do it. I'm trying to provide as many opportunities as possible for students and letting them get out there and see the world. So the way it works right now is that whatever the cost of the university that you're going to, so say you're going to an international university where the cost is $11,500, and you look at what Concordia's tuition is. Okay, well, if you take away the institutional aid, because we're not giving institutional aid for study abroad. You can use your federal loans, you can use your state loans, if you have any of those, or any grants that you get from federal or state. But if Concordia is giving you a scholarship of some sort, that wouldn't be applicable. Because a lot of times that's just a discount that we're giving to you, it's not real money. But if we turn it around and we have to pay a university, they want the real money. So say for instance if it's $12,500 a year or per semester at Concordia, and with all the Concordia scholarships and institutional aid, your share is like $6,000 that you actually have to write a check, or your parents write the $6,000 check. If you want to study abroad and that's $11,500, you need to make up that difference of $5,500. Can you do it with student loans? That would be an option. There's hundreds of scholarships out there. That's where someone would come to my office and we would look to see what scholarships would best fit you, and then you would have to apply for those and try to get it. So, in the long run, it might cost you a little more, but it's going to be an experience that, if you're trying to get a job nowadays, and people look at, you studied in France for a semester as opposed to someone who hasn't, I'm guessing an employer is going to be more interested to speak with you. So in the long run, it might seem like a lot of money right now, but in the long run, it's going to pay off.